Hey, you guys, and welcome back. Today is going to be a super fun video. We are about to decorate for fall. If you want to see it all come together, just stick around. All right, you guys, it is time. We are ready to get rolling with the fall decor. If you've been around the channel for any length of time, then you know by far Christmas is my favorite holiday to decorate for. Well, who am I kidding? Every holiday is fun to decorate for, but today is fall, the fall season. So we're gonna go ahead and start transforming this place. We've got the table out. We're gonna pull all the decor out first, see what we have, see what we may need to add, because adding new pieces is always fun to do. At any rate, let the transformation begin. One of the new pieces that we've added this year is this beautiful stand-up. So awesome. If you are following over on Instagram, then you've already seen this. We found it at Dollar General for just $10, and I am in love. All right, now we got all of the goodies out here. I was gonna clear off the buffet. That is new this year, but I don't honestly know that I have quite enough stuff to decorate a new piece of furniture. So we're gonna leave that for now and maybe decorate around what's already there, but we do need to go ahead and start moving out the stuff off of the table and off of the entry table. I'm gonna start building on the dining room table on this foundation with an old gold table runner. I can't tell you where I got it or how much I even paid for it, when I even got it. All I can tell you is we had it at least 20 years because we had it before we even moved in this house. If you find yourself in a situation like this where your table runner is too long, just do some folds in the middle, kind of bunch it up, scrunch it up. You can shorten it, you can make it any length that you want it to, because what you put on top is gonna disguise that anyway. All right, the next layer that I'm gonna try to put over the top of that are these beautiful new scarves from Dollar Tree. If you watched the latest Dollar Tree haul, then you saw that I had picked these up. And I'm just gonna run it right down the center of the table on top of the gold, adding just a little bit of dimension, bringing in some layers and some texture, and then we're gonna set our centerpiece right on top of that. Now we're just gonna start going through our little pumpkins, some of the little cardboard stands that we picked up at Dollar Tree, Dollar General, all those kind of places. We're just gonna start scattering them until we come up with what we like. Well, I almost forgot. You remember the gold tray we showed you in the last Dollar Tree haul? I picked this up for the buffet. It's only been a few weeks and I already forgot. So I guess we are gonna take some of the stuff off the buffet and we'll see how it comes together. Things that I found, I totally forgot I had, you guys. These still even have the tags on them. I don't even think we ever used them. I don't remember when we bought them. But at any rate, we have them. Look at these amazing placemats, and they look really close to the pattern that's on the scarf we put here. So when we have dinner and we lay these out, look how pretty that is gonna be. Now this is not something that I'm gonna keep out all day, every day. And of course we'll slide that back if we need all 6 chairs. But it's gonna be pretty during mealtime. Can you guys remember a few years ago whenever we got those beautiful fall dishes at Dollar Tree? What a beautiful place setting that's gonna be. Next up, we're gonna work on our entry area. Remember, the first thing people see in your home, what invites them and what welcomes them in, is going to set the pace for how they feel when they visit you. So we're gonna try to make this area really comfy, cozy, and welcoming. We're gonna work on the table, we're gonna work on this wall, we're gonna work on the door. Ignore the door, I know, it needs a coat of paint. I'm not sure if this idea is gonna work. That's the fun of decorating. You just pull stuff out and you keep trying it till you decide if you like it or not. This is a $1 tablecloth from Dollar Tree. It has a little bit of a flannel back to it, but I thought that I would add that over here to this table as a pretty little base to go underneath the scarf, just to add in a little bit more of that beautiful fall colorage. Now let's just lay a scarf on it and see what it'll do. Gotta tell you, when you're working with that baled hay, it is a mess, but you can't leave it in the plastic. You gotta take it out, so you just deal with it, right? A lot of these little things you're gonna remember as a DIY. On the channel, you can go to my DIY playlist and just look around. You'll be able to find some of this fall decor. What is the fall season without Indian corn? You guys know that I also love decorating with ribbon. We're gonna try to stretch some ribbon out along this wall. As we've done in the past, you guys have seen, we also love to put the garland up here at Christmas. It just adds something special. Now we want to tackle the fireplace. This is the central focal point of this room. And when we're all in here together, this is where our eyes are drifting. So we want to make sure that this looks beautiful and appealing and something that just makes us feel at home. You guys, the camera stopped working, so you didn't even get to see any of this go in. But at any rate, we just used some of the vines of leaves. We've got our silver pumpkins up here, our lighted pumpkin, of course, a few of the fabric pumpkins from Dollar Tree. And then I was trying to tell you guys, but you missed it, that if you're ever wanting to elevate and add a little height or dimension to what you're decorating, bring in just some little candle holders. You might could flip a bowl upside down, a little cup upside down, decorate it with some fabric or a scarf or leaves, as long as you disguise it. Then you can bring in that element of height and dimension. There you have it. We have transformed this house into a beautiful fall space. And I'm telling you, the colors of fall, the oranges, reds, yellows, the burgundies, they are just so heartwarming to me. I love it. I love walking through the stores right now and seeing all those fall colors. And I especially love it in our home. Our home is all turquoise and white and gray. And it's a little on the cool tone side, which I love because it's restful, it's peaceful. But I also love bringing in that warm, cozy feeling for fall. So I hope you enjoyed this kind of video. I don't think I've ever done a talk through decorate with me before. If I have, it's been so long, I've completely forgotten. So hopefully you enjoyed that, and hopefully you enjoyed seeing our fall decor. Make sure you tag me on your social media if you also have your fall decor out. I would love to see what you're doing with your space. And if you have a video showing you decorating your home, make sure you comment that down below, because I would love to hop over and take a look. Thank you so much for joining with me this afternoon. I hope you have a wonderful fall season. Remember, you were created for purpose, so get out there and be all you can be. We'll see you soon.